faith, Vishwas, Bharosa. This is very important in life. Without having faith in ourselves, we cannot succeed in life. And more important is to have faith in God. Right? In America we say, in God we trust. But do we really trust God? Whenever there is little problem in our life, some misery, some unhappiness situation, we start to blame God. We lose our trust in God. So how that faith should be, which is unshakable trust. Once there were two friends and they were traveling from their village to go to the city for some business purpose, and on the way there was a forest. So as they were passing through the forest, they thought of stopping under a tree, taking some rest, taking their meal, and then continue with their journey. So they took their meal and they thought, let's just sit down here and take little nap, rest here, and then we will move forward. One friend suggested, let one of us sleep and other should sit as guard, so that if any animal attack, the other person can guard and protect. So one of the friend, he lay down, he slept, and the other friend was sitting there as guard. After some time, a snake came there, and the snake was moving towards the person who was sleeping. And the friend who was sitting as guard, he saw the snake. He wanted to drive that snake away from there, but the snake was moving towards this person, and the snake spoke to this person who was guarding, that this person who is sleeping is my enemy from previous life. I want to drink the blood from his chest. Until that I will not feel satisfied. So I am going to attack on this person. So this person who was guarding, he thought somehow I should protect my friend. If this snake attacked on him, if he bit that person will die. My friend will die because of the poison. And so this snake want to drink the blood. He told the snake, you want to drink the blood, I will give the blood from my friend's chest to you, but you don't bite him. So snake agreed. Now this friend, he took a sharp knife from his bag and stood on top of his friend who was sleeping, made a small cut on the chest of his friend, took out some blood and gave it to the snake. See, this friend was thinking, because of biting of the snake, this person will die. But if somehow I can quietly make small cut on the chest of my friend and take some blood, I will at least save the life of my friend. Like a doctor, when the doctor does surgery, he makes some cut on the body of the patient, but to protect the patient. So this person took out some blood and gave to the snake, and this friend who was sleeping, he woke up, and this person who was guarding told him, what kind of person are you? I was making cut on your body with this knife and you were sleeping quietly, you did not feel any pain, you did not shout, you did not wake up. And this person who was sleeping, surprisingly, he said, as soon as you came with the knife and stood on me, I opened my eyes. Then why you did not react? So this person said, I saw you with the knife, my friend is standing there with the knife. I thought my friend is having the knife, that also must be for my protection, not to harm me. So I closed my eyes and again went back to sleep, because I had full faith that my friend is not going to harm me, but is going to always protect me. So that is the level of faith. Seeing a knife or a sword in the hand of your friend, if you have that faith, it must be for my protection, not to harm me. So same way we should have that strong faith in God. Whatever He is doing, that is for my benefit. Even if there are some problem in my life, there is some misery in my life, that is also good for me, for my purification, for my betterment. Because we may not be able to understand the plan of God, but God has perfect plan for us. God does not do something which is maybe always pleasing to us, but He does always but is beneficial for us. So we should always maintain that level of faith rather than starting to not having faith in God and turn away from God in the time of misery. Hare Krishna.